Hey guys, this is Jason with Mount Baker Foundry, and today we're going to be taking this number 2 copper wire, melting it down and turning it into ingots. And here's our little push-up furnace with our number 80 crucible down there. And I think we've got about 200 pounds of copper here we're going to melt down and pour into ingots. Well, that's the last of our copper wire. And we've got about 2/3 of a pot there. So we'll let the rest of this copper wire melt down and see how much we have in our pot before we pour it. Okay, we just skimmed the dross and now we're getting ready to pour it. Uh-oh.
Yeah, we got a piece of crap. Fall back.
So I had to stop there for a minute and help the guys who were a little short-handed today, but there's our ingots. We got 13 here and 1 and a little bit on the 15th. So there's our ingots, copper ingots. And they average about 15 pounds a piece or so. We probably have 225 pounds, somewhere around there. 210, 215 pounds. We'll get them cooled off and weighed and see how much we got. So we pulled our copper ingots out of the pans. They're still smoking hot. We'll let them cool down a little bit and we'll weigh them up tomorrow and see a final weight on them. Here's our 14 and a little bit more ingot. These are the copper ingots. Got them on that little blue scale. And it comes out to 223.7 pounds. So as far as I know, that's currently the biggest copper pour on YouTube. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the copper video. We'll see you on the next one.